Face so much more. A match with Sanrio.
Why are we the fucking same?
Yeah! Finally at this. Gusto mo yan. Good morning, guys. I just got ready. I'm gonna go to some stores with my mom to shop for birthday gifts for my friends who all have the same birth month as me. We're all celebrating on the same weekend this weekend, so we all love Sanrio stuff, so I'm just gonna like make 3 gift bags of just Hello Kitty stuff. So yeah, let's do that. Hindi ka bibili sa Guys, I just got home. These are all shopping bags. First are these keychains. We're all gonna match with Sanrio keychains. I got us birthday sashes. I wanted all of us to wear these ones, but they only had 3 and there's 4 of us, so one of the girls had me get black and white, but it's so cute. It says, "It's my birthday." And then the white one says, "Happy birthday." And then these candles for our cake. And then my aunt spoiled me with Chainsaw Man manga. With Aki Hayakawa in the front. I got a new tote bag for clinical. I got these strawberry milk tea and the royal milk tea. These matcha shots. One on Friday because I'm gonna need all the energy that day. And then Saturday, I restocked on this notebook because it's grid. And I got 3 gift bags. And then I'm gonna put like white or pink ribbons right here. And I'm gonna separate these gifts into 3 for them because they all have a specific liking. I got one of them the My Melody coin purse. One of them loves this character. Also loves Tata. I'm also going to be giving them individual memo pads. I get to finally add this to my manga collection, my little one. Today I'll be getting my hair cut. I'm just gonna get like layers and like curtain bangs. You know those girls that put like those big rollers in their hair everywhere and then it comes out, it's like whoosh, all voluminous. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to go for. I never got layers in my life before, so this will be interesting. I just felt like I needed something new because my hair is just long and straight and just flat, and like change up my hair a bit. Last day with this hair. Oh my god. You're kidding me. And this is wet. More when it's dry when I curl it. It's gonna be amazing. May I have over tipped her? Sorry, mom. It feels so much lighter. It frames my face so much more and it's just like more interesting. It's not boring. So hair is done. For what? Oh, it was Clay who got me that IKEA delivery box. I don't know what it is, but she gave it to, oh my god, look. She said, "Happy birthday." We have the same birthday, by the way, you guys. Right now, I'm gonna quickly bring my grandma to her draw appointment. They were, yeah. Okay. Weird. Oh, my dog sometimes is a cat and a bunny at the same time. Okay. Ay, nako, hindi na. Hi, can I get a large iced matcha latte? I'm home now. I think I'm just gonna study for the rest of the day because I don't think I have time tomorrow or Friday or Saturday. Last time. Okay. It's 7:14 right now and it's getting real. Like in 5 hours, it's gonna be my birthday. I'm spending my last 5 hours by studying. But I'm gonna see my friends tomorrow and Friday and Saturday. PowerPoint app keeps crashing on me because I updated my iPad to the new version of iOS. I don't know, and incompatible with PowerPoint because PowerPoint hasn't updated yet. I'm just like, bro, need to study though. Like, stop crashing on me. It crashed on me. Wow. How am I gonna study if it won't even open? Like, bro, hello. It's midnight! Happy birthday to me! A candle for myself. I'll do the whole... birthday to me! Yay! Oh, the wax fell on my legs. Morning everyone, it's my birthday. I woke up to a bunch of my friends' texts and stuff. Oh my god, my heart is so full. Right now I'm gonna be on my way to meet up with my friend Evelyn because she's gonna take me out to brunch. Like, okay. And then afterwards I'm gonna meet up with my friend Beatrice and then just go to a cafe together and then look at like cute stores, Japanese stores and stuff. And then at night I'm gonna be having dinner with my parents.
Rotation. Put it in there. Thank you, Evelyn. You're welcome.
But I'm like the third wheel.
Okay, also had this like the fair, and they had like the smoked salmon.
Miss Cafe.
Mimi? I was like, damn. Like, why are you so pretty?
Me and Evelyn just finished and now I'm just waiting for Beatrice at my second location. But oh my god, Evelyn spoiled me, you guys. I might eat one of these right now. She made me a cake, my favorite flavor, confetti, birthday cake flavor, like, ugh. Yummy! Oh, so cute. Do you see my car or no?
Where did you park?
Like in front of it, but like on the other row, like.
Oh god.
Okay. That's good. Eat it like, oh, we ate it when we were drunk. Really? Turn it on. That's cute. That's cuter. Oh wait.
It's so soon, right?
Pumilit nanay ko talaga.
First round of 3 pieces. Oh boy. Thank you. Kumain ka na kumain bukas after this, wala na. Cooler doon dati, wala naman.
Thank you. Okay, this is Beatrice. Wow.
Utang na lang muna.
Sobrang bait ako, no?
Oh, see? Kaya kami baon.
This is Clay.
Yung gusto mo? Bakit?
Oh, yung board!
Ay! Oh my gosh!
Yung pegboard na gusto
Ay,
niya.
ako.
Good morning. I usually have to wake up for clinical at 4 a.m. but today's just orientation, so 7:38 right now. I had like 1.5 hours of sleep, which is so bad because I don't know when the next time I will be sleeping. Because literally after clinical, I'm gonna come home, shower, and then I'm gonna go straight to LA, meet up with my friends, go bar hopping, go to the club, so I really don't know.
I like it.
The video this morning, I was like, I'm not using the cast either.
Not even who you expect.
Alright guys, I just came home and showered. I have to pack all my stuff and then we'll go party, part 1. I literally have a whole checklist so I don't forget anything.
Where are the fucking sand? Triplet.
Good morning guys, Saturday morning, the day of the party. I'm gonna help Addie clean up her whole backyard. It's getting real now. Okay, I'm ready. Let's party.
Ay, hindi nyo dinala yung...
We're at Chat Tea again. This is my favorite movie, guys, ever.
The purple one? The salmon's good, but I didn't get it this time.
Oh my god. I'm finally home. That was a crazy weekend, I must say. I never had a birthday like this. I'm kind of very touched and super overwhelmed. I am so grateful to have been blessed with amazing friends, and they gave me gifts. Sam got me a pom-pom print photo card thing. Put all my photo cards in here. She also got me this Kuromi transparent stand. I wanted this when I went to Sanrio with my mom like a few months ago, but we couldn't get it. And then Sam got it, and she didn't even know I wanted it. Sarah got me this. It's so cute. The Shiba dog inside a pink unicorn with a rainbow. Look at this rainbow tail. And Vanessa got me so cute. Look at this milk. It's a milk. My voice is gone. It's a milk. Look at the heart in the back. Look at its face. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my birthday vlog. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for anyone who wished me a happy birthday and everything. I am very blessed at this age to be having all these blessings, and yeah, I'm very, 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 very grateful for everyone in my life who made my birthday really special. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!